I know English, but I am excited!
Do you think being hydrated is important?
It's very important, bro. Like, if you're not hydrated, how can you can't think properly, you're gonna be dizzy, can't talk to the girls if you're dehydrated, bro. You're gonna have like crusty lips and stuff. How you gonna talk to the hoes? What are we talking about, man? Yo, I can't lie. I actually clenched my thirst, not even joking. Like, I was pretty parched, I can't lie.
Be honest with us, because we want to know the truth.
No, like hydrate. Most waters don't give you that like hydration like feeling. You know what I mean?
I don't know if it's because the water is cold or what, but my mouth was really dry before this. I have a habit of having a dry mouth. Just a couple of sips, I'm not even 75% done.
Do you know that certain water hydrates you more than other waters?
Really?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's all about the pH levels. If the water has higher pH levels, more hydrating, it keeps you going a little bit, and it helps you talk to the hose, as you said.
Yeah.
Sway, 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 sway.